Ka Office u District Sports Officer ringkat ka jingatrilang ka Office u Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills haka Henry Trik Naiwing kalapun kutno ka District Level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program. Haka ni ka program ba ars ngilenter la sakhiru da usumbut menteri rangba ka jelamas nga bhalang dhar haka jingdan lang u Deputy Commissioner West Giant Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS u District Sports Officer Jwai ke pasa na luar kiway. Haka ni ka program ba ars ngilenter la sakhi ka jingwan e shimbanta shirhem ki samla ki ba mikman ya ki southly ki CNRD block ki bahap hapo ka West Giant Hills District. Uba nga bhalang dhar ulaya ro ya ka jing shirhem barkasap balapan ida ki samla ki ba mikman ya baro southly ki block jong ka district. Ulaban jur ba ka sorkar jala ka bu jingmud kerpang hakaban penroy ki samla ka kolshor bat ka riti dustur. Ulak dawru baling ba ka ni ka program ki riti dustur ki dangay biteng banroy. Lapun kot ya ka jingalang da ka jingsam ki khusnam bat ki sernat shabaro ki nong job ha ki jingakop baper kentup ka jingakop folk dance, quiz, talk of war, declamation, painting, thought khana, poetry, guitar, science but innovation, one act play but talent show. Baro kinong job kin mikmat ya ka district ha ka state level Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program kabansalong shen.
All the participants from different parts of the districts and different parts of the blocks, the society, the youths, the elders, both women and men, my brother and sister, ladies and gentlemen. This is the program which has been focused on the dreams of our Chief Minister. This is the only program we always used to say in short. Hard work, big talents. And this is the one exactly. For so many years, for numbers of years we have discussed and maybe under the leadership of our Sir Konat K. Sarma as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya right from 2018. The government is always focused on youth and traditions and culture. And we know very well if the culture is weak, the state is weak. Joong ki wastat the culture im go ta ko jai ibrong im ba. Kaya waro ikna kanduk yung i wi chimta kamtam nigi blocks hado ki judges yung i. Kani man magwin ka program ko jo em wala wat em gawin ko damon o ko creates, which is a very surprise one. I would like to create only in my mind to inform DC. I will have a big program, it's a 2-day programs in the district, both East and West Giant Hills, combining one. Now the process is under discussion with all the headmen and the Sinjuk Krambas, now both East and West Giant Hills. And the time is not yet fixed, maybe next year somehow, in the dry season is better. I already plan to have this type of program, a cultural program to represent that from all type of section also in the Giant Hills, like the Karbi, the Pana, the Wan, everything. And this is under discussion with the Chief Minister also, and the government is very keen to have this program. It's a big program, just like a carnival festival. But the system, how to plan, how to go for it is yet under planning as of now. So in that program, similarly to the small program, to bring all the culture together. Suppose, for example, let the Baiti group come together, let the Panar group come together, let the War come together, let the Ribhoy come together, I mean from Giant Hills only. To show that what type of culture we are having. Frankly speaking, even today, we from the Giant people, we doesn't know what we are having. So we like to showcase as a culture showcase. So it's just a plan, not yet finalized. The Kualo Upnew Kindru, you get some talent, you thought, MG Tibet, MG experience, MG talents. Can you links go to personal game? Chubuk Matulam na Pi ko come to, will I book the judges, now perform big at your best. Engi kena ustad utem duitara suki cak select kina chinong. Ponya ke districts, ponya ke state level, daupo which ke national levels. Let the world know you who you are and you are from where. Warok pru ustad surami. Tahu kami ke opportunities. Mana kerana culture, im kerja itu, im kerja ini, mani kibru ko tibru tibalai. Aku motivated to encourage the youth. Mana kerana culture, kerana kerja itu, kerana kecil berkat kami. Mani ko populars, mani ko encourage in different fields and in different directions. Yung portion chali kena kadro yung ito, any lusful, any negative mindset, any negative thinkings, any negative directions. Ngajo kalam gini kita kacholai mitino. If the dirty waters cannot stop that small plant growing, what's wrong with you guys? Negative mind, it won't stop you growing from your fields where you are. Dan sekali pojok perombo kalau meeting bah ke fokus ikan hibru kami kena akan ro. Lagi ikan mo create memi ke fokus on the goals. We are the first loser. Itu le pendidikan orang kuat buat price no. Kuat pengau tamai ke nam dong blok. Ngak kuat tamai ke skin blok. That is your goal for today programs. Lalu memi ke goals. We are useless for the purpose what we meant for. Kau kena example, itu yang kelam lagi meeting atau pun sen de example rak suku sangat tu, de kelam direct rak sangat tu dipegang. MGV ke tournament we like for European leagues. Matli ke tim football buat tip top penar lagi tu kelam baik. Terdapat berapa minit penyok itu. Chi bedara kata kawan nawa suyo thap yo tha chi bedara skwi yo thap for extra time. They keep playing because both the team are strong. With extra time nobody put goals and the referee decided to go with the tiebreaker. And suddenly we realized that the field has got no goal post. You see? If you don't have a goal, what for you are playing for? Tapi remember the goal achievements, KMP, you became a useless youth. Now we are living in the world of challenge. Now we are living in the world of such a complicated system. Tekan mo kamte, habemi katong, habemi katong, habemi katong. Lagi ni program ke sarkar bui bora. Ile bui ke CM elements. Ile create sigan yes mekhalaya. Ile create ke prime spot. Ile create ke hello mekhalaya. Wakwa ayu support. Wakwa ayu kuwi kita kiti yompi. Lada ini lihat aku dilak ke population. Kena ke sarkar kat kawaman ani apa silap. Kamu miuruti wak ke sarkar orang-orang. Untuk ada malapai ko memandingkan. The calculator of politicians and the business veterans 2 plus 2 is equal 5 not 4. Kini orang aman yang ada utiwa hak ini nak kacang kita. Ambich payula Islam bijo ijabenye pera. Mita tu upah kabe kajo. DNA kajo. But your brain is different from one another. Kamu baik. Have I make a self-responsibility? Have I make a good intention? Have I make a positive thinking? Have any? We are the fighter of this complicated world. So we belajar kan. Takkan wakam tertahu. Kami gini berlaku kamu ketua yang society. Your man a well-being society. Dari kivi patai ni hak Let them mind their own business. You concentrate on your own business, then you'll be growing. Kan ito, ibunsin kaya ka secret yung strong people. The secret of strong people, they always keeping helping others even though when they are struggling for themselves. Bunsin ko start maraplam kelumar ibu juga kiki yang go realize pun realize ni. Kita tak betul mana ibu. Hanya kali tak man kepercayaan bodak lejeng picini. Bukan hidup sini, untuk bukan kami yang ni. Kali tak drawbacks we are facing in this present days. Please remember, success you have to earn it, and you have to drive your own life by yourself. Don't let anyone to steal it from your seat. Otherwise, you will be a loser in your own life. Hamdu ayla opsia kau negatif man hagaman yang pi yesep yang fi murpi. Kan orang saya trip kita bonsen uyu kami ngadu uyu ni personal yang mana kudu wan kre wan kiem atau ni gitu bojo kre cong kecepo dukan chau kita mem kre mem kik ada yak mana boleh kre cong ngau kita bon kam pelan ini tahu du cibet kita ini ada dua yang siap tahu begini please try to avoid it. Please avoid all the nonsense thing. Only then you'll be able to pull your own way of living. Thank you so much.
Hai là nên những đầu trâu ô là nên những đầu hầu ô lòng hai nè ô ca lòng hai nè hồ rai hai là nên những đầu trâu ô là nên những đầu hầu ma cái bông dia chu hit ma cái bông dia campo ô cái trong rui ô cái trong happy ô lòng hai nè ô ca lòng hai nè hồ rai hai là nên những đầu trâu ô là nên những đầu hầu ô lòng hai nè ô ca lòng hai nè hồ rai hay là nên được kinh đầu châu ô là nên được kinh đầu hầu lên bên bên chắc chắc lên bên bên chắc chắc lên bên là chuyện đi đây đi chắc lên bên bên chắc chắc lên bên bên chắc chắc lên bên là chuyện đi đây đi chắc ô lòng hai na ô na ca lòng hai na horai hay là nên được kinh đầu châu ô là nên được kinh đầu hầu ô lòng hai na ô na ca lòng hai na horai hay là nên được kinh đầu châu ô là nên được kinh đầu hầu hey 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 wami madan kidap kentai cindram kidap tenre wayu trong kia wayu trong ru trong lai hey 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 wami madan kidap kentai cindram kidap tenre wayu trong kia wayu trong ru trong lai Acun ruin muka wako saru Sakadin kabo kaila Acun ruin muka wako saru Sakadin kabo kaila Boring dia yuspong wako kendring Wajat pawang kik ba Saki san pernah kisan perjin Saki san pernah kisan perjin Salan salidu wum em wahe wakian
lông xua đang xin